Well, hello there. We're here in the AFI DIY lab today to show you guys how to make some quick and easy custom scented incense sticks. So, comment down below if you've ever used incense sticks before or not. And with that, let's get started. So to start, you'll need some blank incense sticks, just like this, and they can be purchased in varying quantities, so the more you buy, the cheaper each incense stick is. It's easy to scent these in bulk, making them a huge business opportunity. I have my blank incense here ready to go. For every 1.5 ounces of fragrance solution you make, you can scent about 50 incense sticks. To scent the incense sticks, we will be using a combination of fragrance oil and dipropylene glycol, also known as DPG, a water-soluble liquid that will help our incense burn cleaner and more effectively. Without it, the incense will produce an excessive black soot and won't smell that good. So that being said, let's combine these two now. So I have my DPG right here, and now I'm going to be grabbing my fragrance. So for this DIY, I chose to go with AFI's Patchouli Fragrance because it's a staple and it smells so earthy and warm. So this is already pre-measured out, so I'm just going to dump this in and then give it a quick stir. All right, now that our mixture is nice and well mixed together, now we can easily apply this to our blanks. So I found the easiest way to do this with any incense stick is with a baking tray and some aluminum foil. All right, so before I get started pouring our mixture here over our incense sticks, I am going to grab a pair of gloves just to keep myself nice and protected. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to grab my incense sticks like so and just spread them across. And just make sure that they are nice and well spaced out, not stacked on top of each other, just so they all have the chance to absorb the mixture. Now that these are all spread out pretty evenly, I'm just going to take this here and I'm going to make sure that this is completely saturated. So now that all of our liquid is dispersed onto the sticks, I'm going to use my gloved hands and I'm just going to roll them around just to make sure they're nice and well coated. Now that all the oil has been dispersed throughout the sticks, I'm just going to bundle them like so, and then I'm going to wrap them in this tin foil here. And I just want to make sure that they are fully wrapped without any open spots. Now that these are all nice and wrapped tightly with no air getting into them, I'm going to let these set aside for up to 48 hours. So as the blank sticks soak into this fragrance mixture, be sure to rotate them around every now and then to make sure everything is staying saturated. So I'm going to check back in with you guys in a day or so when these are done. Goodbye! Alrighty, I am back and now it's time to unwrap the sticks and then we can lay them out to dry. So I'm going to be grabbing my rack here. So I'm going to place my sticks on top of this baking rack tray thing, you know what I mean, and just to make sure that the sticks get plenty of airflow from all sides however you dry them. And they also can be strung on a line if you choose to dry them this way, but I'm going to use this rack for now. So I'm going to move this to the side. And let's unwrap. Oh, very, very nice. Just carefully pick them up like so. Careful not to make any mess. All right, and now I'm just going to spread them out again, just to make sure they all dry. And make sure when you're spreading your sticks out that they are spread out to the best that they can. Just minimal stacking if you can, just to make sure that there's enough airflow coming in from all sides so they all dry at the same time and at the same rates. Alrighty, I'm just going to leave these out to dry. It can take anywhere from 2 days to a week depending on the humidity of your environment and the density of the sticks that you chose to use. And it really helps if you have a dehumidifier, so if you have one, grab that. So I'm going to place these in a nice dry space and I'll be back again with these in just a few days when they're ready for their first burn. Alrighty, and here you guys go, your very own custom incense sticks. This is such an easy process and the results are awesome. So I'm going to show you guys how to light one and see how it does. And she works! Perfect!